I'm going to give you a statement, and all you have to do is answer, is it about Everton?
So now you're testing about my knowledge. I've got absolutely no chance.
Yeah.
Is there a don't know?
Or is it about Sheffield United?
Is there a
There's
don't know
not
stick?
that I haven't got a clue stick.
Okay, brilliant.
So, I'll just unveil my piece of paper here.
Okay. Have you got the answers on there?
Yeah, of course
So if I look over your shoulder, I've got
don't
half a chance.
cheat. I know you're a cheat. Right. This is an easy one to start with to get you going, to get your point on the board. Don't forget to show them to that camera.
I know, yeah, I'll spin them round.
Our first ever Premier League game was against Manchester United.
First ever Premier League game?
Yeah, was against Manchester United.
Our first, Sheffield United's first ever Premier League. Oh no. Oh dear. And Brian Dean scored.
Yeah. This was, by the way, this was the easy one to get you on the board.
Brian Dean scored, didn't he? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
So
sorry,
Sheffield United.
Okay.
That was
Start making me panic.
That was the
yeah, but I'm
easiest
thinking
one.
the first one was us against Liverpool, but you're not talking about me, you're talking about Sheffield.
No,
All right.
our first ever,
Okay.
Sheffield United.
Okay.
Right,
Right.
one out of one. Right. By the way, it's not going to get any easier
Well, it's
than
got
that.
to be 50-50, so if I have a
Yeah,
guess,
you've got
I've
a
got to have
chance.
a chance, innit?
You're
I'll just do
peaking
that.
again, aren't you? We won the FA Cup in 1925.
1925. Right.
Wrong. Sheffield United. You knew that, didn't you, Kevin?
25, mate. Don't know what happened last
He
week.
was there.
Hey. Thanks, Kev.
Our first ever shirt sponsors were Cantors.
Can you spell Cantors for?
C-A-N-T-O-R-S.
Right, I've got to go. I'm just hoping it's not 3 in a row with Sheffield.
Wrong.
Oh, how have you put 3 in a row?
Sheffield United. Everton's first was Hackney.
Okay.
We were the first club.
Can I refuse to keep going with this?
No,
quiz?
because you're doing terribly.
Okay.
We were the first club to install dugouts. Sat in a dugout right now, so.
But you can't have 4 on the spin with Sheffield, can you, surely? But, see, it's not like one club's old and one club's not. They're both old clubs, so you're killing me here, aren't you?
That's why it was a really good quiz,
Yeah,
a good idea,
yeah.
brilliant.
Could have at least told me to swat up before I came, and I'd have looked at dugouts, wouldn't I? I'm going to guess it's Everton.
He's got one right!
Yes! Process of elimination.
We were the first club to host a game under floodlights.
It's like if I just go really quiet for like 5 minutes, the interview will be over,
gonna
won't it?
help.
Is it not? I have not got a clue. I'll just take a wrong answer.
There's literally an assembled cast that all know it's Sheffield United,
Okay.
1878. Very famous, this club, for hosting the first ever game under floodlights. We were the first club to issue regular matchday programmes. Everton, correct. Our highest home attendance was 68,287 in the FA Cup in 1936.
What was it? 68?
68. No, Sheffield United against Leeds.
Jesus.
Now,
No
think.
chance of
No,
that.
you've got. No, I've given
You
you a
got
chance.
any, like,
I've given you a chance because this is
post-war?
your. Yeah.
Or just
Yeah.
pre-war?
Now, listen carefully.
Okay.
Howard Kendall was our manager
Yes.
in 1996.
Oh, okay. So you're absolutely trying to kill me here, aren't you?
I've done my best.
You have. In 1996. Oh, mate, you're ruining me.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct. You went to Everton in '97.
That's why I came. Oh, yeah. Funny enough. Go on, another story.
We haven't got time.
Right,
have we?
go on. You finished the quiz. You scrapped the quiz. I can say. Okay.
got two more.
Okay.
We were formed in 1878.
Yes.
Easy.
On the crest.
We won the last competitive meeting between the two sides.
Last competitive meeting was in the League Cup.
You played?
Yeah, we won 3-1.
Yeah. Remember we played centre half for Sheffield United that day?
So look at the bonus points. That must be like, that must have got five out of
I think
5
you
in
got
there.
about 4.
Okay. You could have said like who's sponsored by Angry Birds or whose kit's made by Adidas or something, couldn't you?
I'd
Help me
give it
help me
away.
out a little bit.
Best of luck this weekend.
Thanks. Cheers.
Good to see
Oh,
you.
me football's better than me quiz.